So it's down to business here. We are into reverse fixtures here. This is the second meeting between these sides. That's a fabulous ball. Shapes to shoot! What a superstar! A total shocker for the opponents. Talk about how to wrestle control. That's how you do it.
Angle dong.
Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think, fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance. They have what they wanted, the first breakthrough. Well, that's changed the mood entirely, as you'd expect, Peter. It'll be fascinating now to see what kind of reaction it will cause. Fermin. Yamal takes on his marker. No, he refuses